Just look at this scenic view, guys. Just look at this. And even better, the train passing in front. How awesome is that? It doesn't get more scenic than this. I'm amazed with this country. I love it so much. Actually, we need to cross after the bridge, after the canal. Look on that side also. There's another train coming. I think that's more of a local train because it looks more like a metro-ish, like a tram. Wow, this looks absolutely awesome. Okay, so what are we doing? I'm very hungry, and yesterday as I was walking towards the beach, I still don't remember, I never remember names, I don't know why, I don't remember the names of anything. Called Wamete, something with W in the beginning. So I was at the beach behind. Awesome, really nice. There were like just some very big and weird waves, so it wasn't very good. Let me just... Sorry about that. There was a police officer stationed there, so I don't know how it is about filming police and stuff, but considering what the country is going through, I'd rather not you know, risk it. So if I can help it, then I try not to film. Anyway, so I was just going to the beach and I saw this awesome restaurant, but I wasn't hungry at that time. So it's like a beach, small type of restaurant, like street food type of thing. I'm curious if they are open so that we can get something to eat, because it's absolutely awesome. Like, just look at this view. Then you have like right there the restaurant shack, like a shack type of thing, you know. That's actually crossed. No trains coming, they just passed, so that's good. Okay. Oh, 40 kilometers per hour for the train. That's not so bad. Okay, this is the restaurant. Just look at the view and position of the restaurant. Is so nice. Seafood's rice. Don't want seafood, but let's see. Oh, but this is awesome. Wow, just look at this view. Hello? Are you open? Yeah. Open? Okay. Hello, how are you? Good. What do you have?
We have what do you need? We have eating things.
I want like some chicken. If you have chicken?
Chicken.
Okay.
Yeah, chicken devil we have.
What do you recommend? Something spicy?
We can cook devils. Chicken devil. It's spicy.
Okay, I'll try that. I don't know what it is, but I'll try it.
Okay.
Okay? Is it okay if I sit over there somewhere or anywhere?
No.
Okay, I'm just going to hang around here, okay? Do you mind if can I see how you cook it?
The kitchen is closed.
Kitchen is closed. Okay, no problem, no problem. It's okay, thank you. Like I was saying, what did he say? Chicken devil? I understood chicken devil. I hope he didn't say devil, because that's probably going to be super spicy. Why did I order something spicy though? Let me see. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'll try to make it. But just the view is just amazing. Just amazing. So why did I order spicy? Because in India I eat very spicy usually myself, but India was a bit of disappointment when it comes to spicy. So I'm trying to see if Sri Lanka is going down the same way, or if Sri Lanka is going to put up more of a fight and is going to give me some food that makes me cry. And but in India it wasn't very spicy. On the first night in India, yes, it felt like, wow, this is some spicy food. But then all other food, and they only eat street food, you know, so street food usually gets more spicy because they're made for, you know, for the people that eat on the street, that get food from the street. So it should be spicier, but it wasn't really. And most of the time I would get the food, spicy food, and add extra chili and stuff, and still it was acceptable. So I'm going to test it out with the Sri Lankan food to see if we can. Let's just have a short to see if we can get a good spicy taste. Let's have a short look around. But no, it's okay, no need. I'm just looking around. It's a very nice place. I'm just looking around. It's very nice. Too bad it's empty right now. So like I said, oh, there's some paintings of a mermaid calling the sailors, and these trees or bushes, I don't know what it is, but they are very nice, blossoming now. I think it's spring in most of the world. I don't know what it is in Sri Lanka actually, but look at the water. This is like a dark blue, an amazing dark blue, and it looks so nice, really, really nice. And you have the palm trees right here with the coconuts. Actually, coming from the airport, someone I met in the airport was saying that one of the most common ways to die here is like dying from a coconut that falls on your head, which I can see that happening because they're huge. So I don't want to think about it, you know. If it happens, I will just tell my parents, if I die from a coconut to my head, make sure that you put that on my tombstone. Daniel, he died from a coconut to his head in Sri Lanka. So anyways, just trying to make the best out of anything. So always seeing the glass half full. Enough talk, I've talked too much. There's not so many people to interact with here, unfortunately. So let's wait for the food here by this amazing view, and see you in a bit. Okay, sorry about that. He just wanted me to turn off the video because he was just curious how much I paid for it, because he was saying that I'm probably going to get like a white price. So he was curious how much will they charge me, but I don't know the price yet, so we will see how much it's going to be and if it's a good price or not. But more about the food. So this is one of the most interesting things that I have ever eaten in my life. Why? First of all, it's not that spicy. It's acceptable spicy, even though there's so much chili, and you can see that it's supposed to be very spicy. It's not that spicy. It's good. It's a good amount of spicy. Sunglasses are a bit off. Anyways, so it's a good amount of spicy, good enough to enjoy, but it's not make me cry spicy. So chicken devil, I don't know. But the food, look at this. So so these are actually pieces of bone. And I was asking these guys, like, do you eat the bone also or what? But because there's a lot of them, or like, what's the deal with the food? But he said, yeah, you just eat it all. Like, you just put everything in your mouth and you eat it. So this is a piece of bone basically. I don't know if you can hear it. So this is one of the most interesting things I've ever seen and eaten. I've never eaten bone. The train. What is this? This is amazing. And it's actually tasty. I never thought I would be eating pieces of chicken bone next to a beach in Sri Lanka. But sometimes, okay, let's just let the train. Sometimes you just need to enjoy it and see where life takes you. So here I am eating pieces of bone in Sri Lanka. Oh wow. No, go away. It's really tasty. Some parts are weird, but it's super tasty. Like I said, not that spicy. It's a good amount of spicy, but it's not very spicy. Doesn't deserve the name of chicken devil. Wow. There's also some pieces that don't have bone, so I think that's breast. Wow. I don't know what this is, if this is traditional for this restaurant or if you can find it in other places in Sri Lanka. But this chicken devil thing, I was not expecting this, guys. Wow, there's like some huge pieces of bone. Like, I don't think you would ever think that you're supposed to eat that. Oh, and I'm sorry for the sound. I know this scenario doesn't make for the best video because of wind, because of waves, because of trains, but I'm just enjoying my time too much here, so I apologize if the sound is not good. I'm trying to talk a bit louder, so. I don't know how they cook it, but probably it's not made on the spot. I assume that they boil or something the bone to make it more, you know, soft, so you can eat it. But this is amazing. Once again, you can see in the video, I had no idea what I ordered. I just told the guy, give me something. He gave me something super weird I've never had in my life, not even close, something like this, and it's amazing. So like I said, like I say all the time, you just gotta let yourself go and just experience it and just try things. Don't put limits to what, don't put like psychological limits. I don't like that, I don't want to do that, I want to be safe. Sure, it's good to try and be safe and so on, but let life come to you, you know. Accept when life comes to you. Don't push it away. And look at the waves here just splashing on us. This is amazing. This is amazing. Sri Lanka, thank you very much. Because I don't think I'll ever leave, honestly. Might just stay here forever. Let's get some pepper. Wow. Wow. Chicken devil. Now, I don't think I'll eat this piece of bone. You know what, let's just give it a go. I was just saying about let life come to you, and yeah, you can eat it and it's tasty. You can feel the bone marrow inside, but it's a bit too oily. So maybe that's how they do it. Maybe they fry the bone a lot until it gets like softer, maybe. Who knows? Well, I'm gonna eat this, then we're going to pay, and we're going to see if we get white rice or not. To be honest, I'm not even sure how much to expect, but yesterday I paid for some paratha, for some chili paratha in a hotel, so not as fancy as this restaurant, 250. So I would say maybe around 1,000, but anything over that, it's too much. So until 1,000 I think I'll pay. Other than that, we will see. But okay, let me just enjoy these bones. I don't know how else to call them. Chicken devil. See you. Okay, let's go and see the price. Just went to the toilet. Okay, how much, sir? The food was very good.
1,600.
1,600? That's not very cheap, huh? That's not very cheap. Is it white price?
Sorry?
White price? It's quite expensive.
How many days from Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka? For now 2 days, but I don't know how much I
only
stay.
2 days. You can yeah, not cheap. You can more. How many days? How many days more staying in?
I don't know, few weeks.
Few weeks.
At least a few weeks.
So
Yeah.
you can know about that.
So I can
Because
check prices.
No, because the country was
About the country of the situation, yeah.
was we can buy a gas cylinder for 5,000.
Yeah, I know.
So you must take off that also.
Okay, I know.
Just me.
Yeah. Thank you very much. The food was great.
Restaurant and hotels was closed.
Oh,
Because
close.
this situation,
Yeah.
vegetables and all the things,
Difficult to
flour, all the things, prices
Price go
double
up.
or triple prices.
Okay.
Flour we get I think 85 rupees. Now flour 250 rupees.
250 rupees. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you very much. The food was good.
Thank you.
I'll see you again, yeah?
See you again.
Thank you very much, sir.